Hi, my name is Sarah Miskin, and my business for this project was Sweet Earth Bakery. We provide baked goods in my area. When you come to my website, this is the page that comes up. Gives you a little bit of an introduction, what products we offer, whole grain, gluten-free, and traditional. The whole grain products are made with freshly ground flour. I have a wheat grinder, and we have different grain berries that I grind to make a perfect combination that isn't dry, which is typical of whole grain products. Gluten-free is just a blend of gluten-free flours that we can buy at the store, and traditional is with your all-purpose flour. So when you want to buy something, you come to the shop and you see that there are different categories. We have gluten-free, whole wheat, and eventually we will have traditional. And it tells you how many products there are. So right now we have 4 gluten-free. We have gluten-free oatmeal chocolate chips, gluten-free apple pie, gluten-free bread, and gluten-free rosemary lemon meringue pie. The oatmeal chocolate chips, you can't even tell, are gluten-free, and sometimes I just make it for my husband and I because we like them so much. Apple pie is your rustic apple pie with a buttery, flaky crust. And then gluten-free bread is the best recipe of gluten-free bread that I've come across and experimented with. And it's light, moist, and fluffy and will stay moist, which is really nice. The rosemary lemon meringue pie is a family favorite, so I gotta have that on there. When you want to add something, you just click Add to Cart. But first, when we come in here, you can see that there is a description of what each product is, and you can see, the close-up of the product, and then, some other pictures. So let's go ahead and we're going to add this to cart. So let's go ahead and view our cart. And right now we have a quantity of 2. And all you would have to do is go and proceed to checkout. It's pretty simple. So some things that we used to help the business prosper. We used the Google Analytics, but that didn't end up working. We didn't get any impressions or any clicks with that, which honestly didn't really surprise me. So what we ended up doing is every time I would make a recipe, I'd take it to my family. If they liked it, I'd take it to friends. So I gave out samples. We did receive some orders that way, which was really good. And that worked a lot better for us than using Google Analytics or some sort of online ad marketing system. So that's my business wrapped up, and we're going to continue working on it. We're excited. Thanks.